Jesus saw a universe of abundance. Kaya ito yung reading natin in today's talk. Famous reading in Luke. That is why I tell you, says Jesus, not to worry about everyday life, whether you have enough food to eat or enough clothes to wear. For life is more than food, and your body more than clothing. Look at the ravens. They don't plant or harvest or store food in barns, for God feeds them. And you are far more valuable to Him than any birds. Tingnan nyo nga yung katabi nyo. Tingnan nyo lang. Yan ba ay ibon o tao? Anong paniki? Ano sabi ni Lord? Mas mahalaga ka kaysa ibon.